Hey guys, how's it going? And in this video we're going to learn about the NumPy.where function. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the code. We're going to import NumPy as np, we're going to import Pandas as pd, not as, import random, and then we're going to create a NumPy array called scores. I'm going to say an np.array, and I'm going to use random to create kind of like a random array. So a random integer between 0 and 100 for I in range 10. Then just close it like that and out our parentheses. Then let's print out these scores. So it generated 10 random test scores for us we can now interact with. So let's look at this. np.where function. I'm going to create a new array called new and set that equal to np.where. And we want to have it where scores is greater than 50. We want to say pass, and where it's not, so else, fail. We print this new, you can see the 87 of course passed, 51 pass. You can only see the failure for the 49, the 41, the 5, and the rest are pass. Actually, I think it's better if we print it like this. Then you can see it nice and ordered. So we can actually use this in Pandas. So I'm just going to read that tesla.csv file we created earlier. So df equals pd.read_csv tesla.csv. And then if we print this data frame, you can see it looks like this. Now I'm going to create another column in this data frame for the movement. And wherever the stock closed higher than it opened, we want the movement column to say up. And whenever it closed at less than the open, we want to have the movement say down. So that is very easy by using the np.where. We can say df.movement to create a new column and set that equal to np.where. So wherever df.close is greater than df, I keep saying dot, actually using the square brackets, so df open, wherever that's the case we want to say up, and where it's not the case we want to say down. So let's print this out, and there you can see we've now added another column with a conditional. So wherever the close is higher than the open, we have this up value, and wherever it's lower than, we have the down. So that is the basics of the np.where function. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below and consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.